Welcome to today's recipe. We're making delicious, sweet roasted almonds with seeds in the air fryer. A perfect healthy snack that's quick, simple, and incredibly satisfying. Take the basket of your air fryer, line it with parchment paper, and lightly brush it with a neutral tasting oil. Now take 1 cup of raw almonds and soak them in water for 30 minutes. This softens the nuts slightly and helps the coating stick better. After soaking, drain the water and pat the almonds dry with a clean kitchen towel or paper towels. These almonds come out perfectly caramelized, slightly sticky from the honey, and packed with crunchy texture from the seeds. The air fryer makes the process super quick. No need to heat up the oven or wait too long. Whether you're craving something a little sweet, a bit crunchy, or just need a healthy on-the-go snack, this recipe is a must-try. Now transfer the soaked almonds into a mixing bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Mix everything thoroughly until the almonds are fully coated with the sticky, seed-packed honey mixture. Next, place the almonds into the air fryer basket in a single layer. Set the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius, 320 degrees Fahrenheit, and cook for 15 minutes total. But here's the trick. Every 5 minutes, open the air fryer and stir the almonds well with a spoon to make sure they roast evenly and nothing sticks or burns. The aroma that fills the kitchen during cooking is just incredible. Sweet, nutty, and slightly toasted. It's hard to wait until they cool down. These almonds make an ideal snack for any time of the day, packed with fiber, healthy fats, and just the right touch of sweetness. If you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more fast and easy ideas like this. And tell me in the comments, what seeds or spices would you add to your version of this recipe? Maybe a dash of cinnamon? Or crushed cardamom? I'd love to hear your twist on it. And here they are, our golden, glossy, perfectly roasted sweet almonds with seeds, straight from the air fryer. Once they've cooled completely, the honey coating turns slightly crisp, holding all the tiny seeds in place and creating an irresistible crunchy texture. Each bite bursts with nutty flavor from the almonds, balanced by the subtle sweetness of honey and a pop of texture from the chia, poppy, and flax seeds. These almonds are not just delicious, they're also nutritious. You're getting plant-based protein, healthy omega-3s, fiber, and natural sweetness,